Whenever you find your Samsung Galaxy is not turning on or not charging, or in fact, the black screen has appeared on your Samsung Galaxy phone, how do you come out of the situation? We're going to see in this video in a simple steps. And this is my S24 Ultra, which is in the similar position. And if I want to come back to the original position where my phone is fully turned on and I'm using my phone, how do I come out? Initially, if this is the situation, this might be happening because of entire power has been drained out. For that matter, the first step, what you can do, go to your charging cable, that is C port cable, and try to connect it on your Samsung Galaxy mobile and leave it for almost 30 to 40 minutes time so that the charging might happen fully. Once it is done, automatically you come back and take out the charging cable from that one, and after that try to again power it on by just going through your battery, this power button. If it is not done for any reason, go and just simultaneously press this power button along with the volume up button. Try to just power it on by just holding power and volume button for almost 10 to 15 seconds, and after 15 seconds, if it is turning on, leave it. If it is not turning on also, you have to leave it. There is no other option. The second thing what you can do here is now go and turn it on by just pushing the power button along with the volume down button. Here in this case, the same thing, hold it for almost 10 to 15 seconds so that the Samsung logo would appear on your mobile phone. If it is happening, it's okay. Otherwise, since it is also not working, leave it. Once you left with both the options, now you can turn it on by just going through the other option, which is after connecting the power cable. Earlier one without the power cable, you have done this one. Now after connecting this, you can again turn it on your luck by just going through power button and volume up button for certain seconds. Just do it. If it is not happening, again you can do the same process for power button and volume down button. Just press it for certain seconds. Yes, the Samsung may appear on your mobile phone also. These things are the very simple steps. One is with the charging, and after the charging you can turn it on by just power button, or otherwise power volume up and power volume down. These are the simple steps which you can use it and turn it on your Samsung mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel.